Okay, let's have a quick overview on Salon Booking multi-shops add-on. Once you have installed and activated the multi-shops add-on, you'll see a new menu item called Shops here, where you can create your salon branches. For each branch, you can set up its settings. Here you have the general settings tab, where you can set up the branch name, contact email, telephone number, the logo, if you have a different logo of your local branch, and all the other settings that we have at general level here. You can find the settings for each shop, even the booking rules. You should consider that you have to use the options for the single shop only when these options differ from your general settings options. What does it mean? That if your local branches follow the same weekly timetable, you don't need to change the settings in the booking rule sections, right? Because the system will rely on the general settings that you have set up over here. So use these settings for each shop only when the single shops differ from the general settings. For sure, when you create local branches of your salon, you need to set up the general settings, the address, the contact email, the settings for the SMS notification. Maybe you don't need to set up the booking rule options if they don't differ from the general ones. Most probably you have to set up the payment options, as every single shop has its own PayPal account or Stripe account. In the same way, you will probably need to set up the Google Calendar option, as you have one different Google Calendar account for each shop. This is all about the settings of your local branches of your salon. Okay. Another important thing, for each salon you can nominate one or more salon shop manager. Salon shop manager is a WordPress user rule that can be used when you need a manager to manage a single shop. To assign a salon shop manager to a single shop, firstly you need to create a user with the rule of salon shop manager. Okay, then go back to the shops, open the shop you need to set up the salon shop manager, and type the username of the salon shop manager. Okay, and then update. Now this user can manage the shop you have assigned to it. Let's continue and let's see what's happened in the service section. You have your normal list of services. You can click on a service. You have all the general options of the service, and then you have these new options that you can use it to assign a shop to one, assign a service to one or more shops. Okay, and for each shop you have specific options for the service. Let's say that on a specific shop the price of a service differ from another shop. You can do it by changing these options here. Or let's say that this shop manicure is not provided in the shop of Milan, and you can deactivate it. In the same way works the assistant section. You have the option for assistance, and here you can decide to which shop these assistants need to be assigned to. And for each shop you can set up different options. Okay, let's say what's happened to the calendar section. In the calendar section you have this link that can you can filter out the reservation according to the desired shop. If you want to see only the reservation from shop of Bologna, you click over here or over here. Let's see what's happened adding a new reservation. You click here, here, and here you can choose which shop this reservation is added to. Okay. In the booking section, for each reservation you can see which shop they belong to, and the same happens for the customers, and even for the reports. You can select the shop you want to see the reports. You need to see the reports. And these are the main options and features of the multi-shop add-on. Thank you.